Hello my dear friends, welcome to Learn SAP FICO. Friends, in a previous video we have book 1 invoice under the T code F-90. Today we will see how to explore the asset, how to display the asset and check all the details of an asset. So before starting, I request you all please subscribe my channel and share the videos with your friends. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification of all my coming videos. So let's start today's session. First of all, we will run a T code AW01 and to explore the asset. Go to SAP screen and do practical. Here you can run the T code directly AW01 and to explore the asset. And I'll show you the path also. On SAP Easy Access screen, you will get accounting, click on accounting, financial accounting, then click on fixed assets. Under fixed asset, click on asset, then click on here asset explorer. So double click on it, or you can run the T code directly AW01N. Here give your company code, that is Tata. Here you can give the asset number. So we need to give asset number here, otherwise click on enter, or you can choose by pressing F4 key. So select your asset. Under this we have booked a invoice, then click on enter. The system is little slow. Now you can see the report here. It is your APC transaction. APC transaction means acquisition and product cost. That is 5 lakh rupees of your asset. Here you can see the acquisition value of 5 lakh rupees, and you can see the ordinary depreciation of a year that system calculated as per our configuration. It is your ordinary depreciation. You can move down. Now here you can see the net book value of your asset, and here it is not a calculated depreciation. It is not posted now. It is just a calculated depreciation. Only it has shown you the planned book value. It has not calculated. It has not posted yet. It is showing you only planned value book depreciation. Here you can see the transaction which has posted. Under this asset, which transactions has posted. Here you can see the all details. Like we have booked 1 asset, acquisition asset. It is showing here on 1st of August 2020 you have acquired an asset of rupees 5 lakh rupees. So here you can see all the transactions like retirement, transfer of asset. All these transactions will show here. Wait a minute. So friends, in a planned value, you can see the planned value of your book depreciation. And here you can see the all transaction of your asset. And here you can see the vendor name, vendor details, your gross block GL details, which gross block GL is assigned with this account. And now next is posted value. Click on this. Here you can see the whole posted planned depreciation, like whole 12 months posted planned depreciation. You can see the list here. It is in yellow color. It means it has only planned for your all 12 periods. So it has not booked now because we have to run the depreciation when it will post. So right now it has calculated all the depreciation. Now next you can see an comparison. You can see the list here, like your acquisition value and your ordinary depreciation and your net book value, and you can compare it. Whole ordinary depreciation will shown here, and your acquisition book value and your net book value. And next is the parameters. Here you can see all the parameters of your asset, like useful life, remaining life, all these details, ordinary depreciation start date, these details you can see here. And under display depreciation key, click on it, and here you can see the all parameters, like all the keys. You can see here which key is assigned, like under multi-level method we have assigned this key, depreciation balance method we have defined this key. So here you can see the all details about your methods. So we'll get back. So like this you can explore your asset and get the details. And another way is to explore your asset. You can run the T code AS03, click on it. Here give the detail about your asset, like asset number and company code. Then if you want to see if you want to display your asset, press enter. So here you can see the details of your asset. All the details will show here. And if you want to see the asset value, so click on it, this tab. Here the same list, same window has opened. So like that you can explore it here. And now get back. If you want to see the asset master data, so click on this asset master data. So you'll get all the details of your asset master data. So like this, friends, you can explore your asset. Here you can see the quantity of your asset which we have configured. Now get back. Now next T code which we are going to discuss, like next is change of asset. Double click on it, and the T code is AS02, and the path is, this is your path. Same under asset, click on asset. Under asset, click on this change and double click on asset, and the T code is AS02. Here you can give the asset number and company code. So press enter. If you want to change any asset master data, so you can change here. Only you can change the description and quantity. So which fields are in white color, you can change that fields, and which fields are in gray color, you cannot change that. So here you can change the asset master data. If you want to change any asset master data, so you can change it from here. So now get back. So in today's session we have discussed these 3 T codes: how to explore the asset, how to display the asset, and how to change the asset master data. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share the videos with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.